What's up everybody, Alex from Extreme Customs, and for those of you looking to elevate the look of your ride, look no further than the Helo 913. Let's check it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Helo 913. Now, this is a pretty classic, mild looking wheel. There's not too much to be said about it, but there are some notable features to take into account if you're looking to put these on your SUV or light truck. Now, this wheel is available in two finishes, gloss black and chrome. And two things to note right away about this wheel would be that it's a split 8-spoke design, and it has a covered center cap, so you're able to cover your lug nuts so they're not exposed, unlike most truck wheels out there. And then the other big thing about this wheel that's a subtle detail is it has Helo casted into the barrel. So, you know, for those people out there looking for the subtle touches and some different things that set other wheels apart, there are those variations to this wheel that make it a little different from the rest. Now, they do offer this wheel in 3 sizes. They offer it in a 20 by 8.5 plus 15 and plus 30 offset. They offer it in a 20 by 9.5 plus 15 and plus 30 offset. And they also offer it in the 24 by 10 plus 15 plus 30 offset. So those offsets are going to allow you to still stay inside that wheel well quite a bit, and the zero offsets that's available in some different options that push you out too far might not work for the SUV market. So if you're curious as to why it has the limited range of offsets, it's designed for the Tahoes out there, you know, the smaller 5-lug and 6-lug application SUVs and trucks that are looking for a clean, sleek looking wheel to elevate the look of their ride. So look no further than the Helo 913. It's available to you on extremecustoms.com, and it ranges from about $1,300 to $2,500 in price for a full setup. So make sure you check those out on extremecustoms.com if you're looking to get your vehicle set up with these Helo 913s.